Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is if there are three nucleotides in a genetic code, how many different genetic codes are possible to be formed? A 16, B 64, C 32 and D 48. So the correct option is B 64. The next MCQ is Dash has involved in lipid synthesis metabolism. A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. B. Rep endoplasmic reticulum. C. Mitochondria. And D. Vacuole. So a correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is not the type of gastric gland? A. Zymogenic. B. Parietal. C. Sinusoidal. And D. Mucous next. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is according to pressure flow theory, dash pressure and leaf and dash pressure in the fruit and causes the water along with solutes to move from leaf to fruit. A high high, B high low, C low high and D low low. So the correct option is B high low. The next MCQ is most simple amino acid is A. Alanine, B. Valine, C. Glycine, and D. Lysine. So the correct option is C. Glycine. The next MCQ is dash are animals that do not adjust their internal osmolality and are isotonic with their environment. A. Osmoconformers. B. Osmoregulators. C. Thermoregulators. And D. Thermoconformers. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is secretion of pancreatic juice is stimulated by A. Secretin, B. Gastrin, C. Pepsinogen, and D. Both secretin and gastrin. So the correct option is A. Secretin. The next MCQ is left ventricle opens into A. Aorta, B. Pulmonary trunk, C. Pulmonary artery, and D. Vena cava. So the correct option is A. Aorta. The next MCQ is pH at which the activity of pancreatic lipase enzyme is maximum. A. 8, B. 9, C. 7.40 and D. 9.20. So the correct option is A. 8.00. The next MCQ is which of these single membrane bound organelles does not contain enzyme? A. Glyoxysome, B. Peroxisome, C. Lysosome, and D. Non. So the correct option is D. Non. The next MCQ is nasal opening is closed by which the following to prevent the food from entering? A. Hard palate, C. Epiglottis, C. Soft palate, and D. Larynx. So the correct option is B. Epiglottis. The next MCQ is which type of RNA is most abundant in the cell? A. mRNA, B. tRNA, C. rRNA, and D. sRNA. So the correct option is C. rRNA. The next MCQ is bacteria have a tuft of flagella or one flagellum at each of the two poles. A. Lopotrichos, B. Monotrichos, C. Amphitrichos, and D. Peritrichos. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is two different pieces of DNA joined together by DNA ligase form A. Vector, B. Recombinant DNA, C. Chimeric DNA, and D. Both B and C. So the correct option is D. The correct option is D. Both B and C. The next MCQ is which of the following is not a function of protein? A. Protection. B. Transport. C. Catalysis. D. Information storage. So the correct option is D. Information storage. The next MCQ is plasmid carry gene for antibiotic resistance. Plasmid A. PSC101 has antibiotic resistance gene for tetracline. The next MCQ B. So the correct option is all of the above are correct. The next MCQ is urine never contains A. Sodium ions, B. Uric acid, C. Creatinine, and D. Glucose. So the correct option is D. Glucose. The next MCQ is hypoxanthine is the nucleobase of a cytosine, B. Inosine, C. Trypsine, and D. Valine. So the correct option is B. Inosine. The next MCQ is function of gallbladder is A. Secretion of bile into duodenum, B. Concentration of bile, C. Secretion of several digestive enzymes, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is the enzyme of lysosome are synthesized on A. PER, C. SER, D. C. Chloroplast, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is why daughter cell produced as the result of meiosis are not similar to their parent cell. A. Four cells are produced as the result of complete meiosis. B. Nuclear size is increased. C. Crossing over occur, and D. None of the above. So the correct option is C. Crossing over occurs. The next MCQ is the combination of a pentose sugar with a base. A. Nucleotide, B. Nuclei, C. Nucleoside, and D. Polynucleotide. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the residual volume of lungs during a rest or sleep is A. 1.5 liter, B. 2.5 liter, C. 3.5 liter, and D. 4.5 liter. So the correct option is D. 4.5 liter. The next MCQ is dish is involved in lipid synthesis metabolism. A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. B. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. C. Mitochondria. D. Vacuoles. So the correct option is A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is A. The next MCQ is rib cage consists of 12 pairs of ribs that articulate with a thoracic vertebrae. 10 of them connect entirely with sternum. B. Cervical vertebrae. 10 of them connect arterially with sternum. C. Thoracic vertebrae. All of them connect arterially with sternum. And D. Cervical vertebrae. All of them connect anteriorly with sternum. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is suspension culture of A. Cinchona produce digoxin. B. Digitalis lenata produce digitoxin. C. Digitalis lenata produce dash, and D. Both A and B. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is fear for getting obese is term is A. Bulimia nervosa, C. Anorexia nervosa, C. Dyspepsia, and D. Obesity. So the correct option is B. Anorexia nervosa. The next MCQ is which statement about enzyme is not true? A. Enzyme catalyze biochemical reaction without being utilized. C. Mostly enzymes consist of protein along with non-protein parts. C. All enzymes are fibrous protein. And D. Apoenzyme plus coenzyme equal to holoenzyme. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is split flower is a dominant trait whereas white flower is a recessive trait, but in F2 generation a pink colored flower is obtained. Which phenomena explains this law? A, law of independent assortment. B, law of segregation. C, incomplete dominance. And D, test cross. So the correct option is C, incomplete dominance. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDcat MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep learning and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.